Hi everyone, this is the last newsletter of the year and we are excited to share some of the latest news that we have had at the Postharvest Center. First of all, we just came back from New Zealand. We were at the 2024 Postharvest Conference and we got to enjoy the views of New Zealand but also share with the Postharvest community. We met new people and also old friends and discussed science and technology and got to understand a bit more how the post-harvest field is moving forward. Another exciting thing that happened was that two of my grad students from the Blanco Lab won the best awards for their talks in the conference, so I'm really proud of them. And as well, we were able to continue following our strategic plan, which is to expand our network. Those conversations that happened in New Zealand, as well as conversations that had been happening for the past year, have been really important to establish a network of post-harvest researchers and also collaborators to do research projects as well as different types of collaborations. So in terms of research, we have secured several different projects. One of them has been a training grant with the University of Georgia that led the efforts, Dr. Angelos Delsidis, and this collaboration was with the University of Khalifa and ADAFSA to provide training to post-harvest researchers as well as the produce industry in the United Arab Emirates, UAE. And we had a team going there and also participating in talks as well as hands-on demonstrations. Another project that we secured is with a big retail company working on mangoes to understand how different products can extend their shelf life. And we have another conversation that is almost ready to have a project with the cherry growers in California to understand some quality parameters in different cherry cultivars. So we are pretty active on research besides our internal research on improving the produce fact sheets. One of them that will come out pretty soon was funded by the California Pistachio Research Board and will be in our website available for you to all access and will relate with pistachio maturity, quality, etc. So research is going strongly. One other item that has been of high importance in our strategic plan is to improve the facilities in which we do research. And right now we're excited that we're starting to equipped a Postharvest Analytical Lab that will be located here at UC Davis with the post-harvest facilities, and we have been working pretty closely with Adrian Svobodio to make that happen. And with that, I'm going to pass you to Irwin, who, can you know, he's not here, is because he's on sabbatical, so he's going to be talking to you from a different part of the world.
Hello, and thank you for the introduction, Barbara. As you can see here in my background, I'm in a rooftop in Guatemala, working specifically in projects related to coffee storability and the storage or initial cooling of fresh vegetables. And I'm thrilled from being far away from you to saying hi to everybody, but more specifically because we have a couple of good news. I want to start by saying that we're very happy to share that we've updated and restructured our free post-harvest content on our YouTube channel. Therefore, today we're excited to announce that the 2019 Fresh Cut Workshop at UC Davis is now available for free in our YouTube channel. Marita Cantwell discusses the workshop history, the topics covered, their significance, and the importance of making this content accessible for free on YouTube in the research and workshop section in this newsletter. Also, there's been some questions of our potential consumers of fresh produce where they're intrigued if we can enhance the storability of products by storing them in sealed jars and in water. So in the section within this newsletter titled Debunking the Myths, we address that concern and we ask ourselves if storing products in sealed jars or with water can effectively extend its shelf life, and what is its effect in the safety of the product. We would also encourage you to stay tuned because at the beginning of next year, we will be sharing a survey with all of you where we would ask you to help us plan our new workshops based on your needs and topics of interest. And lastly, all of us at the UC Davis Post-Harvest Center want to wish all of you Happy holidays and the best to you and your loved ones. Thank you, and we'll see you next year.